I've been experimenting on making a low sew small bird pattern, and these are the three versions that I've come out with. The first version starts from the beak and ends with the tail. The second version starts similarly from the beak, but I decided to experiment with the neck. If you may notice, the neck is shorter in this version, and the body is also cleaner, but it also ends with the tail. The final version, however, I decided to start from the head, then crochet the beak in between by leaving a space in between. This of course is a two-colored bird, and it ends with the body. Again, there is a space where we add and crochet the final tail. The wings are crocheted and added sewed on, along with the eyes and the bells. The bells have been added to mimic the feet. This is a cute keychain to have. It can also act as a car charm, or can be added to other accessories like wind chime, even baby toys that way. So, what do you think?